Wagwan Generals, welcome back to another video. How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good today. And today we got something different going on, man. Something different. We going to the home of Hondas. Y'all gonna see what I mean when I say we going to the home of Hondas, man. My boy got some crazy builds. We gonna take a trip to the shop and we gonna look at some crazy builds. It's currently doing a so, man, I'm telling you, man, I'm excited. If you like Hondas, you came to the right place, dog. If you like, you came to the right place, man. I promise you came to the right place. So stay tuned. We gonna head to the shop. Leg out. Man, this is the current state of the hatch right now. Yup. Yes, sir. No alternator. Changing out that alternator. That's the old one. I haven't gotten a new one yet. But in the next video, y'all gonna see this thing running, and I'm gonna try to set up a good angle so I can do some crazy pulls. I haven't done that yet. So yeah, we gonna get some pulls in, and if we see somebody, they getting it. You want it tonight or what? Tonight? Or what?
You want it tonight or what?
Where that one? Yes, sir. So, we gonna head to the shop. Let go.
Me a brick, what my fool about? Many things we can do without anything we want.
We about to pull up to the shop. Don't wanna get copyright. And this is what I'm rocking today. That higher life, you hear me? Yes, Papa. We're both pull up to the shop now. And we gonna take, I think he got just like 2 or 3 Hondas here. The rest is at his place. So we gonna see if we can get some video clips of those. Go around the back. Okay, so see y'all in a bit. Yes, sir. So this is just one out of the many. You heard me. This one got a different heart in it. Ain't no D series. Work in progress, y'all already know. This is getting a different heart in it too. Empty right now, but the swap is coming. The swap is coming. This was initially automatic, so we're doing a swap. Yes, sir. Let me know if y'all can guess what swap is going in there. Leave it in the comments down below. Let me know. But we gonna take a deeper look at it. Y'all gonna know in this video, but just leave a comment before you go to the end of the video, please. So this one
and everything is okay.
Oh yeah, this one's the final boss. The final boss. That's Pat. Y'all hear me speaking about him already. This is the final boss. How much you said it's making again?
It's like 522 pounds.
522 pounds. This thing is a beast. It is a beast. Listen, I took a drive in this thing already when it was on 12 pounds, and I'm telling you, this was pulling so hard. So I'm gonna see if I can get a video of this. Currently got some work going on. I think he's doing suspension. But listen, this thing is mint. When this thing is washed up and clean, bro, mint. Telling you, bro, this car is fire. I think it's B16 Y8. Y8. I think it's a Y8. Y7. I think it's Y7. Let's see. I think it's Y7 actually. Yeah, man. I'm telling you, we're gonna see if we can get a look, a test drive in this car, like a ride along in this car when it's done. what we running. This is what we running. Jeez. I'm telling you, this car is no joke, bro. E85. It's no joke. You probably got the fastest Honda here.
There's a couple guys with some Hondas out here.
Dude, the other fast Honda that I know, he's doing like 350.
It's a couple Hondas out. I won't say I'm the fastest, but it's a couple dudes out here running. I give credit where credit is due. They can feel
AOJ, y'all that beat.
This is another boosted setup. Another boosted setup in progress, man. I'm telling you, man. Honda's all day, man. Honda's all day. I'm telling you. I don't know when this one's gonna be done, but we're gonna see if we can get videos of all of them. That's the S15 working on. Yes, sir. Y'all swap this here. Show y'all the version. What we welded again? Oh, right here.
Yeah, it was an accident a long time ago.
Oh, okay.
My buddy just welded the collar. Pedal conversion. And cutting out the tunnel.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I don't know if y'all can see under there.
You gotta cut out the tunnel and then wire something for the ignition and let the key go.
Nice. Everything going, see? Automatic to manual. Jeez. Nice. It's looking good, man. Yo, I can't wait for this to be done.
Give it about a week.
Nice. It's the Killer 16. Jeez.
It's dirty.
The weather here is trash anyway. Killer 16. Oh my gosh, I love this. One of your bolts backed off or just taller?
No, I ran. Oh yeah, it did back off. I got it. I'm glad you pointed that out. Yeah, I gotta tighten it up.
Yes, sir. 16. Yo, what I like about your cars, man, you got all different hearts in them. God. Yo, I'm telling you, man, this is the dream, bro. Just all Hondas everywhere. We not done yet. We going to his crib to show y'all the rest of his Hondas, man. I said if you love Hondas, this is the place to be. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the place to be. Hondas, man. Jeez. Sounds so good. Oh shit. The 16, the power of the 16, man. Yo. Hear that shit? Hear that shit? D16, but shit.
They scream up top.
Yeah.
That's where they make their power up top. Down low, it ain't nothing.
Yeah. Ah. Yo, when you open it up just now, it's like it doesn't want to stop.
You should feel that GSR, bro. So I got that GSR nicely tuned.
Yeah.
In the coupe.
Yeah.
And the GSR it runs nice, bro. It has a nice pull. About 6,000, it just keeps going. Yeah. The G-force just keeps going.
Yo, that's why I had to go back all motor. I miss that sound and that instant. You know what I mean?
Right.
I love it, man. Yo, this car is nice. Golly. Here is the Midori and the green. As I said, this man keeps different heart in his cars. I not. Oh, let's get the interior. Golly. Ouch. Ouch. Clean. Ouch. Yo, your car smells so good.
I appreciate it, bro.
I just had to say that.
My wife just rode in this car for the first time in like 2 years, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
She's not really a fan of the hatchbacks.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, my wife she doesn't hate it, but she calls it a tiny car. She said,
Yeah.
your tiny cars, I can't do it, man.